Direct versus indirect object pronouns. Okay, first let's talk about the differences. So what is the difference between direct and indirect object pronouns? A direct object pronoun, un pronome oggetto diretto, replaces the noun that directly receives the action. It answers the question who or what. So in our example, we have Luigi gives the book to Paolo. Luigi gives it to Paolo. Okay, so as you can see, it is the direct object pronoun, which is replacing the noun, which is the book. Okay, it's so that you don't have to keep saying the book, the book, the book every time you're referring to it. You can just say it. An indirect object pronoun, un pronome oggetto indiretto, replaces the noun that indirectly receives the action. It answers the questions to whom or for whom and is usually a person. Okay, so in our example here, Luigi gives the book to Paolo. Luigi gives the book to him. Okay, so in this case, it's the same sentence here, but Paolo is replaced by to him. Okay, to Paolo is replaced by to him. So him being the indirect object pronoun, okay, because he is indirectly receiving the action. Okay,